Price action, just as the name sounds, it's called action of price. Yeah, when we talk about price action, we're talking about the support and resistance, the trend, signals in the market, price levels where buyers and sellers can actually take profit. I'm trying to break this down to a layman's language. Now, price action are different levels in the market where buyers and sellers actually enter the trade and actually exit the trade. By a cumulative, repetitive action, you have what we call price action. There is a science that states that humans always repeat the same actions over and over again. So, price action is just a routine in the market that has been stored as a data. These are actions that have happened previously in the market. By looking at it, you can predict the actions of the traders. You cannot trade price action if you don't understand how to figure out price action patterns. So price action patterns is the secret to trading price action. Because remember, these traders are actually living a lifestyle they have lived before. It is now a routine. So they leave different signs and signals on the market that can give you a tip on where the market is going to. How do you figure this out? Is by knowing price action. What is by knowing price action and price action patterns? Price action patterns that indicate the direction of the market. Where traders may likely go is head and shoulders, double top, double bottom, bullish flag, bearish flag, and Elliott wave, etc., etc. In our next class, we are going to expatiate more on price action. Let's milk it.
Bro, Baba FX shop for you.